Now, forewarned weather, rated Middle Tennessee's most accurate forecast.
The western half of the mid-state is pretty much covered in rain at this point. That rain continues to work its way farther and farther east. The heaviest rain about to move into metro Nashville. Let's take a look at the big picture view first. Give you a sense of the overall perspective of how huge the storm system is. Extends well to our north and way down to our south. Down to our south is where the severe weather threat has been confined. There are some severe thunderstorm warnings that have been issued, even a couple tornado warnings overnight in eastern Mississippi, but that's staying hundreds of miles down to our south. Overhead in the mid-state, there's plenty of wind energy for the potential of severe thunderstorms, but there's no energy to make the thunderstorms actually develop in the first place. Look at the lightning tracker. 0 cloud-to-ground lightning strikes with the system as it's moving in from the west. That heaviest rain about to move into metro Nashville. There's plenty of moderate to occasionally heavy rain moving through southern Kentucky and northwestern Middle Tennessee. The heaviest downpours right now from Robertson County down into Cheatham County and into western Williamson County, just about to move into metro Nashville right as a lot of folks are starting to hit the road. So this is going to be the concern. Bit of a break right now in Nashville. Don't be fooled by that. There's more heavy rain on the way. And once this arrives, it's going to rain for about 4 to 6 hours. That takes us all the way until about noon. Moderate to heavy rain extends through western Middle Tennessee. It's just wet and it's very windy. The whole atmosphere getting squeezed by this entire system as it moves through. So we're not concerned about thunderstorm wind gusts, because there are no thunderstorms, but just the regular wind has been gusting at 40 to 50 miles an hour, and that's strong enough to do a little bit of minor damage. Some tree damage has been reported, a couple trees blowing onto carports, across driveways, and some power outages as well. About 500 people now without power, according to the NES outage map in the Bellevue area. So hopefully they'll get that back restored as quickly as possible. Looking outside, I'll step out of the way here. We do have a lot of cloud cover right now, but no showers yet from the Webb School in Bell Buckle. Plenty of rain from the city of Clifton here in Wayne County. That moderate to heavy rain continues, and as the skies try to brighten, they're not going to a whole lot for at least the first 2/3 of the day. Maybe hoping to see a little bit of sunshine later this afternoon. The heaviest rain just about to move into our neck of the woods here in West Nashville. Those winds only 11 miles an hour at the moment, but the gusts are significantly stronger than that. Check out these wind gusts in the right-hand column that we've seen since midnight. 40 to 50 mile an hour wind gusts, and that is strong enough to, again, knock down some tree branches and a few power lines here and there. It's also kept the temperatures very mild. We're still in the mid-60s right now, even with the arrival of the initial bands of rain in Nashville. 65 degrees in metro Nashville officially. Mid to upper 60s common, low 60s where it's been raining a little bit longer. Those temperatures just aren't going to change a whole lot throughout the day. The rain continues working its way to the east. It's still going to be raining by mid to late morning in Nashville, but it'll begin to slacken off a little bit by about 9:30, 10 o'clock, with the heaviest rain then moving towards the Cumberland Plateau later this morning and into the early afternoon hours, drying out in metro Nashville. Right around lunchtime, the clouds are going to have a harder time breaking up. We're going to see the cloud cover overhead for most of the day. Better chance of seeing sunshine in the Tennessee River Valley, and the decrease in clouds do make their way across the mid-state as we head through this evening and overnight tonight. That will allow temperatures to drop down into the mid-40s by early tomorrow morning. Pretty nice weather on the way for tomorrow and Friday. Close to normal temperatures, low 60s tomorrow, upper 50s on Friday. And then another cold front arrives on Saturday. That one isn't going to have as much moisture to work with, so it's just a less than 50-50 chance of very light showers, probably around the middle of the day Saturday. And then the cold air arrives. We're going to go from the low 50s around midday Saturday down to around freezing. Looking forward to that for the Vandy Texas A&M football game Saturday evening, all the way down into the upper 20s by Sunday morning, and only bouncing back to the mid 40s Sunday afternoon. It's time to dig out some late fall and winter weather attire if you haven't found it already, because those temperatures Sunday more reminiscent of mid-January rather than mid-November. Melanie?
Not looking forward to that. All right, thanks, Paul. We'll take a look up.